In this video, we're going to learn how to integrate YouTube into our WP Content Machine. So to do this, you need to go to the configuration page and then configure your YouTube and add your YouTube API key. So how do you generate your YouTube API key? You need to develop an application for that. So you go to console.developers.google.com. That's the address to go to. Go to that web page. You need to sign in. You need to be logged in to your Google developer account in order to be able to make use of this. So you come over here under project, you click on this arrow beside project and select create project. Enter the name for your project. You can call it .com Arena, and then click on create. Select yes for the two of them and click on create. Then you've created your first application, or if you've had other applications before, you now have a new application for the blog you want to activate the YouTube API for. And then you scroll down, look for YouTube. You can search for it here, or you enter it here, click on YouTube Data API. Let's see. We created a project. So click on create project. Call it .com Arena. It's like it did not save. So click on create. You wait for some time. It's showing you creating project. So it's still loading. Watch, is still loading. It might take some time for the project to be created. When it's done creating the project, it's going to refresh. The page is going to be refreshed, and you see the name of your project, the one you just created, .com Arena, over here. That means that's the current project, and it shows ticked. That means it is ready. So you go to YouTube, click on YouTube Data API, and click on enable. It's enabling. It has been enabled. So this API is enabled, but you can't use it in your project until you create credentials. So click go to credentials to do this now, and it's strongly recommended. So go to credentials, click that button, and then where will you be calling your API from? So click on what credentials do I need. Web server. So click on create API key. Now you've been given an API key. So this is your API key. You can copy it. Copy the API key. Go to your backend and paste, and click on submit. Go back to the wizard, go to library, additionally enable the analytics API, click on enable. Go back to library, the reporting API. So enable the 3 APIs. Click on enable. And then let's go to our dashboard. So we have set up YouTube. So it's to go to campaigns and create a new campaign for YouTube. It's pretty easy and simple. Click on create new. enter a name for the campaign, call it YouTube. 3-step process. First step, select YouTube, enter keywords. Go to step 2, the maximum number of videos you want to import, let's say 100. You can exclude items if older than a particular day. Just go through. Then you can search YouTube based on date, title, view count, rating, the particular categories you can get from all, type of video license, the video type, whether episode or movie, the duration of the video, the definition, whether standard definition or high definition. You can set the player width and height. You can decide to fetch full video description from YouTube. You can add post with its original time, or you can use the current time. There are a lot of other options you can configure for your YouTube, so just go through them. Then step 3, as usual, the author, the status of the post, so you set your time, maybe 1 hour. Every 1 hour, click on publish. Click on start campaign. If you go to the home page of our blog and refresh, discover that we have posts from YouTube. This is from YouTube too. So we have posts from YouTube. If you open it, so this is from YouTube. Wow. Whoa.